Andrea's uncle was killed in an 18-wheeler wreck. He was not married, did not have any children, but Andrea wants to know if her dad could file a wrongful death suit against the person who caused the wreck.
The answer is yes. Her dad could file the lawsuit. Generally, the way it goes is inheritance by way of intestacy. When somebody doesn't have a will, the persons that have the right to assert the wrongful death claim are the children and the spouse. Since there are no children and spouse, it can be the parents or the brothers and sisters. So the dad can assert the claim. And if you're a distant relative and your other relatives don't want to get involved in litigation, but there's been a terrible death and something needs to be done, under Georgia law, even if those entitled to file the claim do not file a claim, you can do it on behalf of the person that died.
Okay. Let me add one thing to that before we run out of time for this break.
Yeah.
If it's a workers' compensation claim, then those rules don't apply. So you have to have children or a spouse. And the only way to get around that on a workers' compensation death claim is that if you relied on that person's income. So if you're a cousin or an aunt or a mom or a dad, and you actually relied on the income, then you can have a suit in workers' comp. But if you didn't rely on the income, then you cannot.